at all, really, isn't it?
Yeah,
No.
they can't just give you misinformation. It's like, man.
It's like you have to play TF2, but a Frenchman screams nonsense at your ear the whole time.
I would join willingly.
Look! Fuck it, let's do it! Push in! Last spy! Fuck! On you! Okay, H, fine! There's too many things happening!
I would love to see a transcript of all this.
It's almost like we're playing a mini game.
We all good?
Okay, Doctor.
Pretty good.
Oh, that's
Yes,
not me, that was Spy.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Ubidos!
Uber at spawn.
No, Split is here!
I am the Overmatch!
Don't you start.
Spy spotted. Spotted. Spotted.
Oh, I'm so slow. Oh my god.
The soldier is...
Damn! Ah!